Aishah, and today
Mm.
I'll be presenting my LI experience in Jurutera Perunding Jurutera JBI. Okay. During my during this almost 7 week. Okay, first of all, I'm presenting the objective for this internship is to expose the students like me to actual working culture and industrial practice. Second is to allow me to extend their theoretical knowledge into our theoretical knowledge into practice. And then thirdly is to motivate students to practice the right working attitude and professionalism to increase our potential. Lastly is to facilitate students to potential employers. Okay. I'll be introducing this company. JBI is a civil and structural consulting firm owned by Bumiputra and was registered on 8 March 2002. JBI is being led by a very experienced professional who has experience work in the local authority for more than 17 years. JBI also have a solid objective, which is to become a leader in the engineering consulting service in Negeri Sembilan. Secondly is to provide the most efficient, ethical, and reliable service by using the latest technology available. Also, lastly, to assist government in developing the country by involving in major projects. So our mission is to use and obtain latest technology and modern engineering practice and tools. Second is to uphold ethics as an engineer and not to offend competitors in the same field during our way to achieve our objective. Lastly is to value our clients' need by providing efficient service and tailored to the client's budget. Next, this is the organization chart. Here, IR Haji Nur Hisham bin Samiran is the leader in this firm, followed by Encik Musana Jamil and the rest. Our firm is located at Mercato Bandar Estate. It's near to Institute Leadership and Development UITM. Do you know where is it, Doctor? ILD UITM?
Ya, ILD yang saya tahu dekat Dengkil tu je. Dekat ke ni?
Oh,
Kan?
there's another
Saya tahu yang
at Bandar Estate, yeah.
so
Yeah.
different kan? This one. Dengkil
Yeah,
dengan
different.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think different.
Saya tak pernah pergi yang Bandar Instead rasanya. Saya pergi kat Dengkil.
Nanti datang.
So nearby lah.
Nearby, sangat near.
Okay.
So, 5 minit dulu.
I see.
Okay. So this is the services that JBI provide for the clients. This is it. Shall I say it by one? Or
You can briefly explain, not everyone. I mean, up to you. You can summarize it. How?
okay. Civil engineering earthquake ni. Sorry, I think I passed this. I'll state it in my experience here. Okay, Rebecca?
Okay, so you actually look at the previous slide. I want to see. Wait, okay, so meaning that in your CNS consultant, you are conducted these 4 services, right? So it's similar like our actually
Yeah,
civil engineering kan? It's
yeah.
just that we have management, but they have the civil engineering. So we have geotech, we have structural, we have water, the same like our school of civil engineering. It's just like we have project management, construction, business and
Yeah, betul.
different. Okay, so All right. You should explain that way. It's okay.
Lepas lah. Further. Uh, During my internship here, for this almost 7 weeks, I get to involve in these 5 activities. Firstly, I get to learn on how to use a new software I use to make a 3D plan for a school, Sekolah Rendah Islam Nilai, and Rendah Baru Nilai. I use SketchUp for this plan. This plan is to make will be used has been used to make a presentation with them, and then I make the 3D plan for existing building. Thus, I have for me to make the 3D plan, I refer to layout plan and also elevation drawing. And I also Google for the existing building itself so that I can precisely make my 3D plan. And then next is this one. Next is site visit. I get to go for 3 site visits. Firstly, I get to go for here, really near to here at Mahawangsa. There, I need to assess the work that have been done, and does the work is comply to the drawing, does the work following the drawing, and then we need to check for the road marks also. So for the road marks, we follow ATJ, arahan ke teknik jalan from JKR. And then my second visit is at site visit is at also near here, Jalan College. Jalan College. For this second visit is to confirming the dimension of the existing plan is same with the actual site. Also to look for the site topography to note any importance related to the project and future development. From the visiting, we can see that there's some high slope, so earthwork will be needed to make the pathway over there. While doing this, we're using laser to measure the length of the road from point 1 to point 2. But then since it's too far and the laser can't be seen, we make another pecahan so that by the end we add all the length, then get the total length. And then for the last visiting, I and another engineer going to visit at I don't at Zoho, and then we are also measuring the existing building. This building, and then we just sketch up by paper, and then when we get back, we will be making a building plan from that measurement to make a submission for the building plan at pusat unit setempat. Okay. Other than that, I also get to join Encik Musana for a meeting with principal of Sekolah Kebangsaan in Pidi. We were called to help them and assist them regarding to a construction of additional space for a prayer space for girls, because they want to because the existing space for girls is too small for them, and they have many students. this surah is located in the sekolah. Next is I also have set up a meeting due to a project at Taman Jenderal Budiman. So I need to set up a meeting with Jabatan Kejuruteraan for a free consult for that project. Yeah. This will be connected with this my point, which is I get to learn and do the submission online by myself. So I get to know what documentations that will be needed for submission. So the submission that I made is for road and drainage for the Taman Jenderal Budiman project. With this task, I learned to prepare all documents for the submission. Such example for the documents is that I need is geran, cukai taksiran, road and drainage plan, and exemption letter for earthwork for this project, and then some more of them to make a submission. And during this, I need to interact with the PIC to gain documents like personal documents like geran tanah and so on. And to get I get to call the jabatan to get their pre-consultation and validation from them. This project is still waiting for the acceptance from the OSC to site unit setempat. Okay. I also get the opportunity to go for a physical submission to Majlis Daerah for different project, not this project, for different project. This is to prepare me for future reference. I hope I can do this job again and involve in this. And then, I also get to go to make a submission at Bomba. Last but not least, I get to learn and use a software called MITS to produce a sewerage plan. Before using this, I need to check on the maps or Indah Portal for existing manhole or any nearest treatment STP treatment plan, sewerage treatment plan, to decide if that place needs septic tank or not. Okay, this is the output that I get from that I done from the MITS. So the number is the manhole 1, 2, 3, and then that line merah yang ada error tu adalah dia punya sewerage lah yang plan untuk guna untuk buat. Okay. This is also the data taken from extracted from the MITS. The plan is not yet to be done. Conclusion is from this LI here in JBI, I get to experience work in actual working environment in a consultation firm. I also get to learn from the other co-workers and Encik Musana also, and able to get help and able to help them during this opportunity as intern, even though I played just small part in this firm. And then I get to learn to use software such as Start Pro, SketchUp, and MITS. Start Pro, I just use it to learn. I haven't used it for a project yet. And then I learned to be confident. learn to be confident when dealing with some authorities and communities when submitting uh, permohonan, and then to call to get a free consultation, yeah, like that. And then when visiting, I get to learn what should I say and so on, to be brave to talk with them, and then I able to issue any problem directly to Encik Musana, where I a little bit confused when there are so many plan, and then I will refer to Encik Musana for help. That's it for me.
That's all? Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you Siti Aishah for your presentation. Quite comprehensive that you share all the experience that you got so far. Okay, from the LI. Orang penting juga Encik Mutana punya ya in the company.
Ya, ya.
Okay. Kira orang besar kan. So kena memang buat kerja betul-betul ni. Siti Aisyah. Okay. Can as much as possible, but I believe that you have tak ada student lain ULI seorang juga?
Sebelum saya ada, tapi dia diploma rasanya. Sebab dia daripada Pasir Gudang, Encik.
So 2 orang.
Ya, Pasir Gudang.
So 2 orang.
Dia student keep coming here, datang dan pergi, tapi yang pada waktu yang sama dengan Aisyah tak ada. Dia seorang lah.
Saya tu.
Dan
Okay.
kami pun selalunya kami tak ambil ramai sangat at one time. Maksimum kami ambil 3 orang at one time lah. Sebab kita takut tak boleh nak monitor kan terlalu ramai.
Betul, faham. Okay, so she's good lah. Terima kasih to accept Aisyah untuk jadi LI student dekat your company. But this one you apply sendiri ke macam mana Aisyah?
Saya apply sendiri.
Okay, it's not easy to get CNS punya consulting firm nak dapat as a internship. Susah sikit nak apply. Nampak the issues our student is difficult to find the CNS punya penempatan. So you are lucky that you can get. But I just wonder how's your experience using the software. Sebab I believe you are semester berapa?
9. Saya dah extend.
Oh, I see. Okay. So is it your first time using the software?
Yeah, MITS first
Oh.
time. Step 4 pun first time.
Hmm.
To be honest, AutoCAD pun saya kena brush up saya punya
Okay.
skill lagi.
So yang lain tu the SketchUp pernah buat?
SketchUp pun first time. Yes, first time. Encik Musana yang ajar saya. Okay, Aisyah kena buat macam ni. Guna dia macam ni. Okay.
Yeah, you kena explore that one. This is for the youngster. Actually, the youngster must know how to use advance. Betul tak, Cik Mutana? Patutnya diorang advance ni. I pun guna...
Back on our time, I think kita banyak manual code and spreadsheet. But now everything is software lah.
I agree. So, dia kena banyak belajar feature-features tu. So, I hope that you learn a lot lah. And take this opportunity to keep doing. Walaupun dia bagi assignment that one, but you have to explore by yourself juga. Okay. So I nampak you banyak belajar on the software tu, which is good. Do you have any difficulties during your
Tak ada. Semua okay.
So you get a lot of experience so far? Banyak benda.
So far okay. Saya rasa okay, and semua orang kat sini pun sangat membantu saya. If saya tak faham pun kadang-kadang saya terlupa, saya tanya lagi pun diorang okay je ni.
So you punya internship first time ke you buat ni? Ke you pernah buat masa?
Ni first time. Dulu yang masa diploma pun ada internship juga, tapi masa tu saya buat dekat lab.
Oh, lab. Maknanya contractor you tak pernah lagi?
Ya, saya tak pernah.
So what is your plan after you graduating?
After graduate, kerja.
Yalah, kerja. So you prefer untuk kerja dengan CNS ke? Atau contractor? You banyak option.
For apa yang saya bandingkan lah diri saya dengan kawan-kawan yang intern dekat construction punya tempat. Diorang lagi penat kot sebab diorang kerja sampai 6 hari, tapi kadang-kadang tu extend sampai 7 hari pun macam still tak kerja tapi diorang kerja juga.
Okay, so
So maybe saya akan mau ke consultation, tapi itulah dia macam ada juga eagerness untuk tahu apa yang terjadi dekat site kan. Tapi sebab for now site yang saya pergi hanyalah untuk ukur and then assess kan.
masa
So
you
macam
masa you design, you having a problem? Macam the details, macam mana you nak design. You just follow the drawing.
I follow the drawing, but ada juga yang saya macam confused, tapi dah okay dah.
So how did you solve the problem?
Saya tanya dekat coworkers ni dan tanya Encik Musana sebab hari tu yang saya ada problem tu saya tersalah tengok plan lama dengan plan baru. Itu je.
So you tak ada buat detail design kan? You just SketchUp is just like a drawing tu macam architecture punya software. Yang Step Pro you kata you tak buat lagi?
Yang tu just main-main je dulu,
So
belajar je dulu.
Cik Muntana dia tak ada buat lagi kan yang macam
Saya ada buat ni.
Dia buat sewerage yang dia involve in detail sewerage.
Dengan tangga.
Okay, so sewerage tu memang detail design lah kan?
Sewerage detail.
Okay. So you guna software lain lah yang tu memang ada software dia MITS tu
MITS. Jadi kalau nak guna MITS tu kena didongle kan Cik?
Okay. So yang you design betul ke? You design okay? Betul sewerage tu? Boleh trust?
Okay, sebab diorang dah ajar dah apa tu? Dia punya tu mesti daripada tempat tinggi ke tempat rendah.
Betul. Okay. Berapa incline dia apa semua. Berapa
yang tu nanti
semua tu.
nanti dapat dekat ni. Yang tu yang ni kan.
Okay.
Nanti saya dapat daripada MITS tu. Nanti dia bagi tahu slope ada berapa-berapanya. Cik nampak?
Nampak.
Doktor nampak ke? Saya tunjuk ni macam ni ada 1/68. Lepas tu dia bagi jarak dia semua.
So
Diameter ni
selepas you design ni you bagi siapa untuk review? Checking?
Yang ni Encik Musana yang akan review.
Okay.
Tapi yang ni baru yang ini saya tak buat design dia punya, saya tak masukkan dia kat dalam AutoCAD lagi untuk buat design keseluruhan.
So yang ni memang recent project lah. Memang kena buat kan?
Yang saya kena buat baru semalam.
Bila kena deliver ni Encik Muntana? Dia punya project.
For this one, project ni sebab dia satu unit banglo. So we proceed with the structure dengan infra dulu. Yang untuk sewerage ni sebab dia septic tank, kita masuk kemudian. Dia lambat sikit dia punya application. Tapi dia dah start the design and then drafting, report pun dia dah siap rasanya. Just to buat drafting punya kerja and then compile report, kemudian baru kita submit to IWK lah.
Ini private client banglo?
Private banglo, single unit banglo.
Dekat Negeri Sembilan?
Bukan, dekat Jendram Budiman ni tadi. Apa nama dia? Taman tu.
Mana?
Dekat Jendram.
Jendram tu dekat mana Saya pun tak.
Sepang.
Sepang. Tapi dekat lah.
Dekat. Sempadan je dengan Selangor.
Betul lah, dia still upon you all lah, dekat kan. Okay. Interesting lah you experience juga macam mana nak. Tapi MITS ni, software ni, is it quite untuk infra dia punya software ni kan?
MITS is local software. Dia local software yang integrated.
Macam Wonder.
Dia local software.
Okay.
Dia local software yang ada for infra ni, tak silap saya hanya 2 ke 3 saja yang mana dia integrated kan all the infra punya things lah. Pasal dalam MITS ni di local punya software yang mana ada earthwork, ada sewerage, ada water rack and also ada drainage. So dia dah ikut requirement local punya requirement lah. Kalau macam drainage dia dah ikut masma, kalau kata sewerage dia ikut IWK punya tag dan sebagainya.
Siapa developer dia? I mean yang buat MITS?
Alamak, saya tak ingat lah dia punya nama company tu.
Oh, tapi memang ramai the local CNS memang guna lah untuk infra. Most of them.
Tapi now ada yang terbaru lagi. Ada company
Yeah.
tu nama dia Infravera, tak salah saya nama company tu. Yang tu dia lagi more, itu hari dia baru datang kami punya company. Dia introduce software yang tu more interesting and then more better than MITS lah. So MITS ni quite, the last version dia pun 2015. Lepas tu dia dah tak come with a new version lah.
Relevant.
So ada yang baru ni yang more better lah.
Tapi yang ni you all kena belilah kan? Subscribe lah.
Yes.
Itulah, I tak familiar sangat software yang infra ni kan. So tengok okay ada rupanya. Tapi sebab dia dah bagus juga, dia ada some version lah. Itu yang ketiga tu pun kira local jugalah, yang baru yang introduce.
Ya, local juga. Yang tu diorang banyak works with the government juga. So, kalau tak, diorang pun tak boleh dapat data daripada government.
Betul, dia kena lah. Kalau tak, macam mana dia nak develop that software yang ikut spec whatever semua tu kan. Maknanya dia kena comply, dia dah ikut lah compliance semua. So senang lah kalau nak design, tak perlu dah nak buka-buka.
Yeah.
Besar.
The good things for the new generation ni, benda tu memudahkan dia orang lah. Tapi kalau dia orang tak tahu fundamental pun agak susah juga. They just know how to operate the software saja.
Betul, dia kena fundamental juga. Ya, betul-betul agree. Alright, okay. That's good information juga. Good new information for me too. Alright, I think tak ada apa kot. I nak tanya you lagi, Aisyah. Cuma, have you done tengok rubrik semua tu yang I share all the documents tu? Kalau yang mana, kalau boleh, you try to tengok rubriks tu and then you cover dekat report dengan logbook You masukkan whatever requirement lah, so that your mark will be aligned with the rubrics. Okay? Whatever yang we need to cover by the LI student. And untuk Encik Mutana kan ada untuk LI SV punya kan? Industry. So nanti minta Encik Mutana fill up lah for them.
Boleh.
Dia punya rubrik tu, tak silap I, dia bukan tik-tik je tau Cik Muntana. You kena select number. Dia bukan maksud kena fill up the numbers lah. Kan ada range tu kan. Kalau nanti you tengok dia kena letak contoh dia punya range 1 sampai 100. So kalau you tick yang dekat kolom nombor 2 tu, maybe dia atau kolom nombor 4 ke, dia ada good value.
Tapi yang tu Aisyah tahu ya.
Aisyah, itu saya pun nak bilang kat dia sebab dia tak tahu ni. Saya pun nak kena bagi tahu juga kat dia.
Yang ni ke? Saya baru download ni.
Cuba buka. Cuba buka jap. Boleh buka. Tak, dia tak keluar lagi.
Oh, tak keluar lagi. Sekejap.
You kena share yang tempat you open tu. Tak silap You tak boleh share dekat yang screen tu balik. So yang ni boleh pulangkan bila you dah, before you submit semualah. Okay, so nampak tak ada numbers tu kan. Sebenarnya range markah tu, kalau 65 sampai 79 tu maksudnya dalam kolom tu kena letak 64 66 ke 70 ke, kena letak number, percentage lah. Dia tak
dia tak ada weightage Selalunya sebelum ni dia ada weightage. Saya times kan apa semua.
Sekarang dia buat macam ni, dia pakai range markah terus. Sebab ada yang SV dia letak tik-tik je.
Faham.
Diorang tik, so jadinya macam sebab diorang confused. Saya ingat diorang pun tak tahu kot kena letak markah kan. So dia akan tik kat situ, kita kena evaluate the marks nanti. So nak minta Cik Muntana nanti letakkan marks terus dekat setiap isu.
Boleh.
Okay, so ada apa-apa ke Cik Muntana nak address pasal Siti Aishah ni?
On our side, I just would like to macam, sebab sebelum ni student intern yang kami terima, saya dapat bagi extra commitment. But unfortunately waktu sebab Aisyah masuk pun kind of waktu kami tengah agak sibuk, dia pun tahulah saya jarang ada pejabat, dan so saya kurang sikit bagi perhatian lah kepada dia, jadi tak banyak yang dapat kita ajar lah banding dengan intern-intern yang sebelum ni. Kalau intern sebelum ni, at least selalunya saya akan pastikan diorang tahu how to use Esteem, Step Pro, SketchUp, and also use and then involve moderately inside the project lah. Tapi kali ni sebab kami agak sibuk dan saya pun tak dapat nak fokus pada dia, jadi tak dapat nak bagi seperti mana macam student yang sebelum ni lah. Itu saya minta maaf lah dari saya dari pihak syarikat.
Dia kena belajar sendiri, dia kena catch up dengan staff-staff yang lain sepatutnya. Be independent. Okay, at least you dah accept her, and then they have to learn lah, get how to learn with the other staff kalau boleh. Try to belajar, okay? Siti Aisyah, ada berapa lagi ni? 4 minggu ada? Ke 3 minggu? Ada lagi berapa minggu kan? Left?
Saya sampai 13 Oktober, lagi 5 minggu.
Then okay lah. Banyak tu boleh belajar. Anyhow, thank you Encik Mutanah. Kalau tak ada apa-apa lagi, I rasa ni cukup.
Sama doktor. Yeah. Okay, baik doktor.
Alright. So, thank you Aisyah.
Thank you,
bye.
doktor.
Terima kasih.
Thank you, Cik.
Assalamualaikum.